Everything is fine now, guys. Everything is fine now. Let me know that. Use the chat box.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Okay. So now find select, right? What is that select? What is that select query? We are performing what? Select query now. Okay. So see this. Okay. See this here. What I'm going to do now? All. We are selecting all column. All columns, right? All columns. What is the data type will be? What is the data type will be? Now I need what to select all record from the database, right? All record of image also I will create. Okay, it will come clear. I know that theory is going on. You people are not getting the point. Okay, no problem, no problem. Just next step. Give the just 10 minutes. Within the 10 minutes, you people get clear picture. Okay, so now the all column, if we are selecting all column from the database, what is that? List, right? List data type. Okay, this T means what is that? Object now. Okay, generic type object. Okay, T means what? Model class, guys. Okay, T means what? T means what is that? Model class. Model class name. Okay, model class name. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, no, I want what to select only what is that? One row. One, right? One column. What? One column. One column, right? One column. It will return what is that? One column also, but what is that? List. It will return what is that? List of what is that? Data type. Data type. Okay, data type. Okay, so data type means what is that? Variable now, guys. Okay, this is I'm talking about that. This variable, if we are selecting what is that? Only e name, so all record will come from the e name, right? E name. Okay, so what is that? Data type. Data type means nothing but what is that? Variable. Variable data type, right? Data type. Variable what? Data type. Fine now, guys. Another one is what? No, I want what is that? Select more than one. I want to select what is that? More than one. So what will happen now? Here, more than one column. More than one what? Column. Then it will again return what is that? List. List of what? List of what? Object array.
Okay.
Object array, right? Object array, why I'm taking now, guys? Because multiple column we are taking, right? Object array, right? Object array equal to what is that? Multiple data from one row. Okay, guys, this is the structure, right? This is the operation we are going to perform it, right? And these three way is there to perform what is that? Select operation. To perform what? Select operation now. Okay, so good. Okay, so now let's understand. Okay, let's understand based on that what? Based on that, then you people will get what is the clear picture. I'm going to give what is the conclusion about this diagram now, guys. Okay, concentrate on that, right? So just think about that. This is the table is there now, guys. This is the table is there, right? This is the table is there. Okay, so in this table, what is there now? See this. Okay, what is there now? eid is there, e name is there. Okay, e name is there, and what is that? Esal is there, right? Eid, e name, and what? Esal is there. Good. Okay, so this is the emp tab is there, right? Emp tab is there, right? Emp tab. Okay, inside this emp tab, what is that? Record 11 is there, a is there, and what is that? E name is a. Just think about the a is there, right? And what is that? Salary is there. 2.2.0. 2.2 take 2.2. okay, another one is what now guys? 1 2, right? 12 is there, right? 12, I'm taking what? B now. Okay, so here what is that? 3.2 is there, right? Another one is what? 13 is there, right? 13 is there. Now here I'm taking C, and what? 4.2 I'm taking, right? 4.2. okay, let's do. Okay, this is the data is there in this table, right? Just think about that. This is the table, and in this table what is that? These are the data are there, right? Are there. Now what I'm going to do now, copy the same table, because three operation we have. Copy 1 2. okay, so here, okay, 1 1 and another one more. Okay, three table I'm taking, right? Three table I'm taking. Okay, so this is the three tables are there. Okay, let's understand first one, guys. Okay, so let's understand what is that. I need what? To select all column, right? All column, guys. Okay, okay, so what is that? T means what is that now? Class object, right? So in this table, what is that? One is the one object, right? This one is the one object. One row is nothing but what, guys? One object or not? Come on. And this one is the one object, right? This one is the one object, and this one is the one object, right? Come on, yaar.
Yes, sir.
So so what it will happen now, guys? One. Okay, so one. Okay, one object. Just think about that. This is the one object. Now what is the data now? 1 1. I'm selecting the record, guys. All record I want to select, right? Using what is that? SQL query. Okay, concentrate on that. Okay, so the data is A, and what is that? 2.2. 2.2, right? One object. Now good. Another one is what? Again what is that? Again what is that? 12 is there, right? Again what is that? 12 is there. See, this 12 is there. 12, and what? B is there, and what is that? 3.2 is there, right? 3.2 salary is there. Okay, so I want to select it. Okay, so I want to select this data. Okay, so good. Now another one is what? Again what is that? This one. Okay, another one is what? 13 is there. 13 is there, and what? C is there, and what is that? 4.2 is there, guys. Okay, so this object, if we are returning, what is that? So case one, this is the case one. Okay, case one. Okay, just think about that case one. This is the case one. What is that? If we are performing this operation, what operation? Select star from what is that? EMP tab, right? EMP tab. So all record, all row will convert in the object now, guys. So this is nothing but what? T I told, right? These things is the T means what is that? Employee class. These are the employee class. Okay, so it will return what is that? This is the returning in the based on that what? List, right? This is the returning based on that list. What is that? Which kind of list of got the point now, guys? What is that? All columns, we are selecting the all columns. How it will come to our Java application whenever we are selecting the operation now?
One row converted into one
Yes,
object
one row will
format.
convert to one
One object.
one object, right? Same like row will convert to one object.
Second object.
So after ending, what it will become now, guys? List of
List of employee.
okay. So now my explanation. This area, you people got it?
Yes, got it.
Any doubt is there now?
Yes. No
No
doubt.
doubt.
See, boss, how I'm giving the clarities. Think about those things. Okay, see this. Okay, now okay, case 2. Come to case 2. Okay, let's understand case 2. Okay, let's understand what is that case 2. What is that? This is the one. This is the select, right? What is that? Case 1, case 2, right? Case 2. This is the case 2 now. Okay, case 2. What is that? In the case 2, what is that? One what we will do now? Only what is that? One column, right? One column data I want to select it. Okay, So one column. So just think about that. What is the query now, guys? Select what is that ename from EMP tab, right? This is the query. Okay, so this is the query. In this case, what will happen now, guys? So one column, list of data type, concentrate on that. Okay, a new name. Okay, good. You are genius. In a single shot you switch off your camera. Okay, so now good. Okay, so what is that? So based on this query, what is that? We will select what is that ename all data or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So okay, so what is that? A is there, right? A is there. Okay, okay. One A will come here, right? In the data type. What is the data type? Ename data type is what, guys?
String.
Varchar.
String.
Huh?
String
Varchar.
Varchar. And in the Java, what is that data type?
string.
String type.
A
String type.
Good. Very good. So okay, good. So here, what is that? A will come, right? Here, what is that? A will come. Here, what is that? A will come. Okay, so fine now, guys. A will come. Another one is what? B is there, right? B is there. Okay, here, what is that? B will come. B will come. B will come. Okay, so here C is there, right? Again, what? Here C will come. Okay, here C will come. Okay, here C will come. Okay, so but what is the in the Java? Which kind of data type is there now? This data is comes under what? Which category now? Which kind of data type?
List of string.
String type.
This is the string type, right? String type.
Yes.
So after then what now? Good, very good. So okay, so what is that? Multiple string type data is there now, guys. So it will back in the what is that list of what is that? It will become what is that list of string.
List of string.
List of string.
List of string. Got it the point now, guys? In the Java, how in the database, how the if we performing like this query, what will become in the Java now? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, we got it.
Okay, guys, so come here. Now come in the last position, this position, right? More than one, right? So come. So here, what is that, guys? Okay. So case 3, okay? Case 3, come here. Case 3, I'm taking, right? So,
Ravi, you have written one column only.
sorry?
You have written only one column. Last means structure, diagram.
Where one column I returning now?
One column. List object, above list object. Third, na? This is third, na?
Yeah, third case, I'm going to explain it now. Here, what is the problem?
No, here not.
Telling like na you mention above first and second na that why figuring why they've mentioned it. They considered like figure. Second example is like
One example I completed, right? Based on this area,
Yes.
right? This one I completed now. I'm going to explain
Here
this one.
Here only one column written, na? I am talking about this.
No, here what symbol I taken?
Yes.
Greater than, less than, right?
Okay.
More
Sorry,
than what is that
sorry.
one column? More than one column.
Sorry. Really sorry.
Okay. So okay. So here what is that case, right? Case 3. Case 3 is there. What is that? Select. What I'm going to do now? Select. What is that? Select what I'm going to do now? EID, and what is that? I'm going to perform ename, right? Ename from EMP tab, right? EMP tab. Just I want to perform what is that? I want to select what is that? EID and ename. Okay. EID and what? Ename. Okay, guys. So fine now. So whenever we will select it, right? So see this, okay? So just think about that. I want to select what is that? These two, okay? So these two. these two, right? These two. Okay, so what will happen now here? What will happen now here? So just think about that. What it will happen now? It will come in our, what is that? 1 and what? A, right? A 1 will come, and index number, what is that? Index number, this one is a 0. No, still not, okay. 1 come, and what is that? 2 come, okay. So another one is what? 12 and a B will come, right? 12 and a B will come, and what is that? 13 and a C will come, right? This data will come, okay. These data will come, okay. So fine, good. Whenever we will select, okay, means what is that? We are selecting all row and column from here, right? Here, based on that here. So what it will become now, guys? What it will become? Multiple, right? Multiple row will come. Again it will become, what is that? List only, right? Again it will become what? List only. But what is that? Here data type is what? One int is there, and another is, what is that? Varchar is there. One is the int is there, and another one is the varchar is there, right? Varchar is there. Then what we will take now? Object, right? We will take the object.
Object type.
List of object.
If we are taking the number, right?
Object array type.
If we are taking the here integer, then what is that? We can't store, what is that? Character, string data.
Character,
If
string
we are
data
taking
type.
the string, if we are taking the string, we can't store the number type data, right?
Int type, number type.
So we have need to decide which kind of data we will take. Object type.
Object array.
Object, right? Object array, because what is that? Multiple data is there, list of data is there, right? So what we will do now? Object.
Yes.
We will take, what is that? Object. Object, what is that? Object. Object array, right? Object array. And again this one will be store inside the list, right? Inside the list only, right? List only. So what will happen now? List of object. Got the point, guys? How we are analyzing our database data to convert in the Java code now? Come on.
Yes. Analyzing. Yes.
Yes.
Can you please explain why we have taken array there?
Yes.
This
See here, what is that? 2 row column is coming now, okay. What is that? Two column data is coming. 1 row list of data is coming now, okay. So but here, what is that? If we take, what is that? Here this one is the number, and this one is the what? Varchar. Got the point? So if we hold the data, data, what is that? Only number type, then we can't take, what is that?
Yes.
String data type, right? String. If we
Yeah.
are taking the string,
that I
then
understand. Yeah.
we can't take, what is that? Number. So we know that all child classes in the Java, what is that? All child class super class is there. What is the all
Object.
classes super class is what? Object. If we are take the object, then we can hold the all data or not, guys? Come on, all kind of data we can hold it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes.
Yeah. I have asked about array, object array. Like if you take object, that would be enough. No?
Sorry.
For single
Yeah,
row.
yeah,
That's
same.
a multiple row. That's why taking an object array.
If you are okay, good, that's a good question. If you are taking the only 1 row, then good, right? But if you are holding, what is the multiple object? 1, 2, 3, because list of what is that? Array object will come. Okay, so what kind of data type you will hold it now?
Yeah.
Object.
List of
Object,
objects.
Object
That's why we are
type.
taking list of objects.
Yes, list of
Right.
object array. List of object array will be there now, guys. This is here wrong. Okay. Clear? Still doubt is there now? Ask.
Yeah. Like I understand about list of objects. Like
Mhm.
similarly in the case 1, there also in the case 1 also multiple objects are there. That's why we have taken list of employee.
See, boss, what is that? Here one if you are selecting here, what is that? Here what? Only one, then you can take only object, right? But what
Yes.
you are doing now, here you are taking 2 different data types. Then what will happen now? Object array will become or not?
Yes. Object. Yes.
Object array will become,
of-
right? But
Okay.
again, what you are doing now? Multiple data you are selecting, means list of object
Okay.
array is coming. So what you will tell now? List of object
Yeah.
array argument you will take or not?
Yeah. Yes, Ravi. I understand. Okay.
Okay, good.
Understand. Thank you, Ravi.
Mhm. Oh, okay, so let's perform the operation now, guys. Okay, so what we will do now, first we will store the same data only, right? Let's save the same data. So what I'm going to do now, I'm deleting these things because I'm going to work on different application now, right? So it will create the confusion. I'm dropping the table now. Previous application now, guys. Okay. Okay, now come in the application now, guys. Okay, so here come in the repository class. Okay, come in the repository class, open it. Open it, right? So I said we are going to perform what is that custom query now, guys. Okay, from here onwards. So what I said now, so okay, good. So first what we will do now, let's save the data, right? Let's save the data. Come leave it, still leave the what is that repository class. Come in the employee runner. Okay, open this one. In the previous
This is
application, I'm
not current application. This is not current application, I think.
this is the current application, not a current application. In the previous application only, I'm going to perform the same operation. Just we have need to create it, right?
No, no.
This is the last.
Sorry. Okay, okay. No, good, good.
This is
Correct.
paging and sorting application. Last week application.
Yes, in the last week in the last weekend
Collection.
only. Because I need this model class again. I have need, if I create a new application, right, then I have need to create these things again and again,
Okay,
right?
okay, understand.
You people want again new, shall I create one new application? It will take time then if I create new application. Give the everyone response. Can I create new application or shall I?
Continue.
Huh?
No, no, not required, not required.
Continue.
Continuous.
Continuous. Not required new application.
Not required, right?
Yeah, no need. No
No,
need.
not required.
No
Okay,
need.
good. So good.
Oh, you
Okay, so
create
come here,
one
right?
repository
I'm
interface
deleting
only.
all these things, guys. Okay, I'm deleting all these things. Okay, already what is that employee repository is there in our what is that application now? Okay, so good. Okay, fine. So here what I'm going to do now, save report art, save all. Let's take save all. Okay. New employee. Please mute yourself. Someone is unmuted now. What is the problem?
Import package. Ravi.
Okay, let's import it.
Yes, we got right.
Yes, got it. Okay. Arrays dot.
As list.
Yes.
As list.
Okay. Here, what I'm going to new employee based on the same only. Same we will take, right? Because it will create. It should not create a 11A22, right? 11A22. 11A 2.2, right? Comma one theme only. Three records are there, right? Three records are there. What is that? 12, 13. 12, 13. Here D I'm taking, here C I'm taking now. And what is that? 3.2, 4.2. Okay. Let's run the application now. Okay. Let's run the application now. Come in the database. Employee is came, right? Now view the record. 3 record is came now, guys. Okay. Come on.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi, 3 inserted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next what we will do now? Come here. Okay. Come here. Just comment this code. No need now. I commented, right? Okay. So next one is what? Come in the repository class now, guys. Okay. So what we will do now? I want what is that? To select what is that?
Find all.
Custom query.
No.
We have
Come
right
here,
custom.
right? What we will do now? First, from where we will start it now, guys. Okay. I want to perform what is that? This case, right? First case. Okay. Select what is that? All record, right? I want to select what is the total record from the table, guys. Okay. I want to select what is that? I want to select total record, right? Total record. Okay. So based on that, our theory, right? See this. This is the theory list of employee will return, right? So what is that? We will specify the method first. What is that? Get.
Ravi, we have to take JPA repository extends.
Yes. Good.
Yes,
Here
Ravi.
also we can
Yes.
no issue. Here also we can perform because this is the parent, right? Child only, right?
Okay,
So,
okay. Okay.
so
Yeah, that is also fine.
JPA
Okay.
repository.
this is the child only. So we can perform, but you know, paging and sorting we can't perform using those. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But good observation. You are observing. That's a happiness for me. Okay. So that's a very nice thing. Okay.
Thank you, Ravi.
Okay. So what we will do now? We will specify what is that? Get all emp, right? Get all emp list of it will return what kind of data now, guys? See this. What is that? What it will return? A list of employee or not? Come on.
List of
List of
employees.
List of employee
Yes.
data.
List of employee, right? Now come here. So what it will return now? It will return what is that? List of
List
what?
of employee.
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 This is the method now. Okay. This is the method now. Controls it. Oh. Okay. You did. But so, what is that? Okay. This is the why it's giving the error now. I know.
Please take a public. Starting public.
No need in the interface we are not writing by default. Okay, good, no problem. So okay, guys. Okay, without if we are writing like this only, right, we will get the error. So what we will do now? I told I want to write the query, right? This method want query, right? So what annotation we will take? Query annotation.
Query.
Yes.
Query
Initially I
annotation.
explained now, guys. Okay. because we are going to perform what is that HQL operation, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now inside that, what we will write now? What we will write now? Select alias name E from what is that?
Fully qualified.
Employee. Now error is gone or not, guys? Come on.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Gone.
Yes.
So like
Yes.
this we will write, okay? If we are right here, what we are writing? HQL query, right? This is the E employee. What is that? Employee class. So now come in the, what is that here? Runner class, okay? Come in the runner class. What we will do now? What we will do now? Come here, okay? What we will do now, guys? So I'm going to select what is that?
Call
R
that
data.
method.
So repo dot what is that? Repo dot
Dot get all.
Get save all.
Get all
get
EMP.
all, right?
Get all EMP.
Okay, so what is that? For each condition I'm writing here only, right? For each. Okay, for each. Now here. Okay, so shall I run the application and we will see the list of employee object, whatever data is there, total, right? Total data, right? Shall I run the application now, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please run.
Yes, sir.
See this? All record, all employee record is coming or not, guys? Come on.
Yes. Yes.
List
Yes,
of
sir.
employee.
Yes. Coming. Coming.
That is the HQL query or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Someone having any doubt? Come on, yaar. Who's that?
Understand, Ravi. Clear.
Okay. So
No,
now,
no doubt.
okay, come here. Okay. Now come to next scenario. Case 2. Case 2, right? What is that? EMP tab is there. I want to select only one row, right? Select ename from EMP tab. This query is there, right? So come in the JPE repository. Custom query we are writing now, guys. Okay. Previously we seen that all predefined methods, right? Based on the predefined method we are performing now. Okay. So again, what we are doing now? Let's, what is that? Get what is that? Get EMP name, right? EMP name. Okay. Get EMP name. Okay, good. So again, what is
List
that?
of string.
What it is returning
List
now?
of-
List of string, right?
List
So
of
now-
string.
Stop array.
List of string.
Good. I'm so happy. Okay. So, okay, good. What is the HQL query now, guys?
Select
Select
ename from
At the rate
employee.
query. Select ename
Select
from
ename.
E
E
dot
means
ename, E dot ename from alias
From
name,
in
employee
select
name.
E means
EMP
Yes.
name.
From employee.
right? This is the HQL query, right?
in select
You can remove select.
Yes,
In last dot is mandatory.
Ramesh, sorry, Ravi. Yeah.
one more dot E employee dot E
In last
Dot.
dot.
You have to remove dot.
last
The dot.
last
Yes. Yes.
Not
Yes.
required.
yes, correct.
Yes.
Good observation now. Okay, come in the runner class. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm commenting this code now. Again, what I'm going to do now, guys?
repo dot
Repository or get employee.
Report that got ename.
get EMP name.
EMP
Yes.
name.
Repo dot, what is that? Get
Get EMP name.
EMP name
EMP name for each
for each
That
method.
for each.
Okay. Now let's run the application and we will see that. Okay.
बंद करण्यात आहे. अभ्यास करण्यात तिथं तसाच हे झालंय. अभ्यासाच्या नावाने शंख.
Why error is coming now?
We are not using select column because we are using one.
Sorry.
Direct you are using from EMP imply. We are selecting one column. So then we are using direct
sorry,
from.
sorry. Okay, this is the right. This one copy.
EMP name.
EMP name.
Good. Now run the application. See this?
Yes,
A-
sir. We got.
A, B, C. We are getting or not, guys? Only this
Yes.
Yes, sir.
row
Yes,
data.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only this row data. We are getting or not?
yes, getting
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay. Now next one is what we have need to select two column, right? Two row and column. Okay. So come here. Okay. What is that? Come in the explanation only, right? What is that? List of object array. If we are selecting what is that two row record, right? Two row record. Okay. So what will happen now? Come in the GP repository, right? What is that? Get what is that? EMP name and what? EMP name and what we will take now, guys?
ID.
ID.
Let's
That
take
implies
salary.
ID,
username.
salary,
ID.
Let's take salary.
Okay.
Okay, this is the method name we are specifying now. Okay, now it will return what? List of object array.
Object array.
List of what?
object.
List of what? Object array.
Equally
Okay,
remove.
so what is the query will be now?
Equal remove.
Equal sign is there.
Equal
yeah.
not required.
It's okay, sorry. Now fine, right? Okay, so what is the query will be now, guys? Select
EMP name.
Select
EMP name, comma EMP ID.
EMP name.
EMP ID.
E dot
EMP
EMP name,
EMP name and
comma,
what is that?
comma, E
EMP
dot
ID.
EMP cell
EMP salary.
E that implies salary.
EMP cell.
from E
From EMP
employee.
and
Employee.
From employee.
Got it? The
Yes.
variable name is same, right? EMP cell, copy this.
Employee spelling. Double E.
Correct. Now, okay. So, okay. Then what we will do now here in the runner class, come. Let's comment it, okay? So now it will get repo dot what?
Get EMP name and cells.
1 minute. Cursor is becoming fatty. How we can?
Click on insert.
Press insert.